At least we will go to Lok Sabha first.
Correct.
By elections आम्ही मागे one by one. Yeah.
Correct.
How do you look at same percentage? आम्ही ज्यांना आता constituency wise 2014 versus 2019 पळयतले similar kind of trend. What has changed?
According to me, what I look at is I go with Radha and Ketan. That Sardin has age. This is because I expect him to almost sweep Salset. Ponda has saved Sardin in a big way.
Ponda has saved Sardin in a big
way.
Okay.
And finally, I find that in all areas except Kepe and Margaon, where BJP led, they may still lead, but all their leads would come down.
Okay.
So finally, my assessment is this time Ponda will decide the South Goa seat.
Yes, की पहिली फावट रवी नाईक आणि सुदीन ढवळीकर एकाच खंयच्या तरी पक्षाक मत दिया म्हणून वावुरल्यात काम केला प्रचार केला. हाऊ डॅमेजिंग इज दिस फॉर युअर पार्टी?
रवी आणि सुदीन केन्नाच एकठांय जावंक शकना.
Let us be very clear statistically. Are you getting lead in Fonda, which used to give you a strong lead of 10,000 Fonda माला भितर 10 ते 12,000ची lead ती मिळतली का मिळची ना?
10,000 केन्ना मेळना. No, in all Fonda we are always getting 4 to 5,000 lead.
If in Salset, Elvis exceeds 12,000 vote. In Salset, I am talking only of Salset. She will not exceed 12,000 because I would think that he will get about a third to half of the vote which they got for assembly. Because that time intensive campaigning was. In my own area, Nuve, their candidate Dr. Marian had in excess of 3,000 votes. In my own polling booth, he had got some 150 because he is a local man. This time he will not even get 20 votes in my polling booth. That would be a miracle if he gets.
You are saying the votes will not split in Salset?
No. See, the people have come out this time to defeat the BJP.
Also, see, you have to be very practical. People have seen the politics of the BJP and Congress, and especially Congress. If you don't want the BJP, can you trust the Congress to defeat the BJP? This is a big doubt in people's minds, especially traditional Congress voters. So all these numbers, 15,000, 25,000, is an insult to the intelligence of the voter of Salset and South Goa. And that's why, today Sardin himself, he was so rattled. He said, "Amka vote marina zala BJP ko vote marai." That is effectively what he said, and that confused people even more. And I think it is a clear, it was a path ahead for Elvis.
One thing, last time इतली वेवासून सुद्धा रेजिनाल्डाची लीड जी आसा was quite substantial.
24,000.
ही जर तुगेली 45,000 बी पावली जसे तुम्ही सांगतात 45,000 तुम्ही ती भरून खंयच्यान काडटले आणि हाऊ डू यू वांट
पहिले म्हणजे इतकी लीड मेळची ना तांकां.
ओके.
डेफिनेटली आमी फाटी पडटले हांगा. लेट अस एक्सेप्ट इट. जशें ताणें म्हणलें, सार्दीन, अ मॅन ऑफ वास्ट एक्सपिरियन्स, ही केप्ट हिज सन लास्ट टायम बिकॉज ही डिडंट गेट द टिकेट. सो एक खेपे कितें रेजिनाल्डाच्या खातीर जीव तोडून काम करतलो. रेजिनाल्डूय आपलें कितें करपाक तें करतलोच न्ही थंय. दुसरो विशय जो आसा आमचो फातोर्डा मडगांव, सो विजय सरदेसाय जे आमचे डेप्युटी CM आसा, आमचे एक घटक आसा, NDAचे घटक आसा, सो डेफिनेटली ताचो आमकां फायदो मडगांवूय जातलो आनी फातोर्ड्यान बऱ्या प्रमाणान जातलो. सो येस, वी वील बी ट्रेलिंग इन Salset, बट इट वॉन्ट बी एज बॅड एज यू पीपल आर थिंकिंग. आनी जशें परत हांव म्हणटा की एल्विस मे बी मोर दॅन सार्दीन देर.
See what he said.
एल्विसाक पळय
You are still sticking to जी डीप झाल्या
बीजेपीचे सामके जे लॉयलिस्ट असले पळय तांच्यांनी प्रत्येक 3 जाग्याचेर तांचे दुखवल्या न्ही.
ओके.
3 जाग्याचेर बीजेपीचे लॉयलिस्ट दुखवल्यात.